Hey y'all, this is Harmony Osoro, and actually from Kingdom Envoy International Church, and I happen to be one of the members of the MAM City Music. This is a privilege. You know what? There's a saying that when you start asking God for another level, you should be ready to pay the sacrifices. This is me actually in the studio working all day, all night, trying to put things together. I mean, it's not been easy. It has been sacrificial, it has not been convenient, but the beautiful thing is that God has given us a sound, and we are doing all we can, the best we can, to make sure we cook it and we let it out and in excellence so the people can actually be blessed. And this is me, doing a song. It says, oh God. The truth is, He actually brought us freedom from all oppression, and He prevailed. So all we have to do is to hail the King of Israel, the King of Zion, who has made all things possible. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And so I would like us to anticipate, let's be expectant, because a lot is coming our way in this season. And so one of them will be dropping this month on the 18th, and it is The Sound from the North. The Sound from the North. Love you all. See you all.